This is Signal Hounds talking RF, and today we're demonstrating drive testing features in Spike using the SP145. Our Spike software, when combined with the SP145, offers many dynamic features like GPS and heat map generation. These tools meet regulatory standards, enhance selectivity, and simplify even the most complex RF challenges.
Tom Lane from Signal Hound, and this is Talking RF. Today we're doing field demo, so we're going to take the SP145 out for some map testing. Okay, so what we're doing is we're just doing a drive around at a certain fixed frequency and span that I previously selected. We have the map loaded, and with the map loaded, we can see the crosshairs are updating as we drive around. We stumbled into one slight issue, which is that the GPS has to be in portable mode before you do a drive test. And you got to put the GPS in portable mode before you start driving, because 20 miles per hour is the max velocity in stationary mode that it'll work. You can see the heat map is being generated as we're driving, and the points are being saved. We're in a zone where there was nothing being transmitted at 1.97 that we could really pick up. And now you can see the heat map change from blue to green. That's a little bit better. There is something, there were some cells being detected and MIPS decoded. We're back down in this particular channel again in the blue. And at this point, we've made about 600 measurements in our heat map. So we're on I-205 in the state of Washington, heading towards Oregon, south towards Oregon and the Portland airport. We see a lot of cell tower activity in this space. So we've just come to a stop in preparation for our next demo, and I'll go ahead and stop making these recordings and wrap up this drive mapping session. We'll go File, Export Session, and I'll just export it using the defaults, which I have had to do all this drive because of the smooth ride. We'll save that, and we'll unload this map, and we'll get ready for the next session.
Revolutionize your approach to spectrum analysis and signal mapping today. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.